Hi everyone, welcome back to another video on my channel. Today we've got the GelBoxUK monthly subscription box for December. I had to think what month it was then. It's literally covered in baubles and I still couldn't think. But yeah, so we've got the December box today. I'm going to show you what is inside, of course, and then do some swatches of whichever gels we get in here. So this is the front of the box. Absolutely beautiful, very Christmassy inspired. I really like that. It's really stunning. And then when we open it up, very on brand, well, on season, I suppose. This box is a special one, featuring Biscuit, my beloved Pomeranian. Actually, those unfortunately please both my parents' backs. Oh my gosh. Which is a very low point in my life. Ah. I'll let you read it. I don't need to literally read it out to you. Oh, how amazing is that? I'll leave it on the screen. Well, you can pause it obviously, but that is amazing. Love that. This is obviously an insight into what colours we're going to get in this box, so that's always interesting. Look how cute this is. Oh my gosh. Right. Oh, that's a nice touch. I don't even want to ruin it. Let's just get in and have a look. Wow. Look how festive these are. Oh my god, I'm going to give these to my mum because she absolutely loves everything Christmas and she will absolutely wear those all day every day at work. We've got some little candy cane sweets which are very cute. Very sweet. Very sweet. It's ironic. And then we've got a nail art brush with, it's double-ended, so you get the nail art brush and the dotting tool on the end. And then we've got one. Ooh, look at these. We've got foils. Green and a red, and also a glitter that I assume is going to be perfect for sugaring, because let me see what's on the yeah, it's a sugared effect, so that is perfect because look how it's obviously white, it's got glitter in. I don't think you can see it on camera. It is sparkly, but it's really fine, which is exactly what you need for sugaring. And then obviously we've got these two beautiful foils. They are absolutely stunning, very Christmassy. And then we've got some lashes, very glam. What's in here? Ooh, we've got some little bows as well. They're really cute. And we've got a cuticle oil, as always. They always smell incredible. Love their cuticle oils. And then we've got 4 colours, which I'm very excited to have a look at. So I'm going to get some swatch sticks and we're going to swatch these colours. Also, quickly before I get rid of the box, look at the box. How absolutely beautiful is that? It's got a little palm at the top. Gorgeous. Oh, I love this box so much. So I've just been and grabbed some swatch sticks ready to swatch these colours. So we've got 4, as always. You always get 4 in this box, and they are super good value because they're 20ml bottles. You get loads of product. Absolutely love this brand. So first things first, we've got Holly Jolly, which I've just showed you, which is a green. Really stunning. It's got ever such a slight shimmer in it. Beautiful. So that's the first coat of Holly Jolly. Pop that into the lamp while I paint the others. And then next up we've got Champagne Glitz, which is this gold glitter. I'm just going to give this a roll between my hands to try and make sure that the glitter is all evenly distributed and not all sat at the bottom of the bottle. It's super glittery on the brush. So hopefully that means we're going to get a good amount of glitter on the nail. Wow, look at all that glitter. That's just one coat. That is amazing coverage for one coat of glitter. I'm only doing the first coat of every colour on the nails, like on camera, and then I'll show you what they look like when they've got 2 on the top coat. This one is called Christmas Red. In fact, this one's got glitter in as well, so I'm going to do the same thing and just roll it between my hands. Just make sure we evenly distribute all the glitter. Let's have a look what this one is like. Wow. This is beautiful. It's got chunkier pieces like the gold. Beautiful. So I'm going to put that in the lamp as well. And then last but not least, we've got Pure White. which is a very pure white actually. I don't know why I'm surprised considering that's literally what it's called. Wow. This white is super pigmented. Really, really, really pigmented. Wow, look at that in one coat. Do you know what? I think I'd actually class that as a one coat white. That's incredible. I'm going to go and do another coat of each of the colours off camera, and then I will show you what they all look like with 2 coats when I've top coated them and put 2 coats on. So these are the colours with 2 coats on them all. Excuse the dry skin on my hands. Very, very nice on camera. But these are all the colours. They are absolutely beautiful, like all of them. This pure white is incredible. Like, look how shiny that is. And one coat was absolutely by far just the only thing that was necessary. The green obviously looks quite see-through, but you got to imagine that a nail would be under it, so it wouldn't be. It would be this beautiful deep green, and that would be the gold, the red, and then the white is just completely opaque. It's incredible. But yeah, highly recommend those. They are beautiful. My collection of the GelBoxUK colours is definitely growing. These are how many I've got now. I've just realised that I'm really zoomed, which is why the quality is so bad. But these are all the ones that I've got in this drawer. That actually isn't a GelBoxUK one, that's a Glitter Bells Builder Gel. But look at all of those, and all of them are just incredible. The coverage is incredible. The consistency of the polishes it's just a fab brand. So I'd highly recommend getting the monthly subscription boxes if you want to build your collection, because that is what these are from. You get 4 in every single box. You can see how many boxes I've had because they've all come in those boxes every month. So it's been a long time now. But yeah, highly recommend. The discount code for the boxes will be on the screen, probably up here somewhere, or maybe down here, I'm not sure yet. So definitely check that out to get some discount off the boxes. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll be back soon with another one. Bye!